Bulls win yet another draw. Here comes Joe Thornton. Behind the net.
Jonathan Girard, a 5-minute nature for fighting.
Passed over to Bertuzzi. Now out of his own zone, he'll lug the puck to center. To Glenn Murray, and he carries it to center ice. Now he moves the puck into the attacking zone. Here's Sergei Samsonov. Who's boom, quick shot.
This is DVD. And this is what happens when you watch DVD. It's a movie on a disc the size of a CD. The picture is twice as sharp as VHS. The sound is infinitely clearer. It looks and sounds like you're at the movies, but you can experience it at home. Not to mention, you can watch it in widescreen, pick your language, choose from features like director's notes, behind-the-scenes footage, trailers, and more. Watch a movie right on your computer. And rent or buy DVDs from these great Hollywood studios. DVD. See how good a movie at home can be. With over 5,000 titles to choose from, make sure you see your next movie on DVD. Yeah. Coming soon to a motion picture theater near you.
In a world where crime creates celebrity, the media is the courtroom, and the viewers are the jury. There is only one verdict.
Who else but crazy men would film their crimes?
You think you're gonna get away with it, huh? Stupider than I thought.
Rule of the
You want headlines? You want to make money? You want to be a celebrity? Shoot me!
Hello, America. No one is responsible for what they do.
Morning, gentlemen. What is it?
On Sunday morning, one of our U-2s took these pictures. The Soviets are putting medium-range ballistic missiles into Cuba.
Oh my God.
Our cities and military installations in the southeast, as far north as Washington, D.C., are in range of these weapons, and in the event of a launch, we'll have only 5 minutes warning. In those 5 minutes, they could kill 80 million Americans.
5 minutes, gentlemen. 5 minutes.
Well, it's clear we cannot permit Soviet nuclear missiles in Cuba. We have to get those missiles out.
Full spectrum of airstrikes is minimum response the Joint Chiefs will accept.
No. There is more than one option here, and if one isn't occurring to us because we haven't thought hard enough.
What the hell's going on?
They want a war, Jack, and they're arranging things to get one.
Those damn Kennedys are going to destroy this country if we don't do something about this.
A lot of things are going wrong today. It's making everyone nervous. More things go wrong, people will become more nervous, and it will be very hard to avoid going to war.
I think we have to issue pre-invasion orders for our forces.
We're talking about possible nuclear war.
Sometimes there is only one right choice, and you thank God when it's so clear.
Coming soon from New Line Home Video.
In death, there are no accidents, no coincidences, and no escapes. We've cheated death. Now you have to figure out how it's coming back at you. Final Destination, rated R. I'll see you soon.
They were three childhood friends who shared everything.
Maybe we could still run off together.
You gotta give it up. It already happened.
I sent you money. I try to take care of you. You're in no position to tell me what to do.
He's got the photos. They were very, very filthy pictures.
When it comes to blackmail, winning is everything. Nick Nolte, Jeff Bridges, Sharon Stone, Catherine Keener, Albert Finney.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
I'd feel so much better if you'd stop saying that.
Simpatico, rated R. Now available from New Line Home Video. What would you do for $100 million?
If you don't get married, you're cut off without a shot.
Jimmy Shannon has to get married
You win.
Was that a proposal?
in 24 hours.
Yes or no?
No. How far down the list am I?
Oops.
What about my daughter? She's 15.
Well, it's pretty late in the game for you to be Mr. Judy.
The Bachelor,
Good news, darling. You're off the hook.
rated PG-13. And now, our feature presentation.